Hello, hello, hello. Welcome and welcome back to Nita Price Plant Paradise. I have another unboxing. This unboxing is from Orchid Classics out of Norfolk, Virginia. They're on 7071 Kirby Crescent. Okay, I hope everyone is doing fine, and let's see what we have in this box. As you can see, it has not been opened. And I have a glove on this one hand because I hurt my hand earlier, so I wanted to make sure it was covered up. I am so excited. Look at this. It's a good size. Let's dig into it. Let's see what this is. Let's press. Let's see if we do this. I might have to push the box back some for you to see what I'm doing. I'll do it this way. Okay, we might have to do it with the scissors this way. Hold on. Oops. Okay, let's. Oh no. Great. Ooh, okay. Was able to. My glove got stuck. Okay. This is kind of. Okay, we're ripping it up. I may have to rip it this way. Hope you all can see what I'm doing. Okay, that was something to deal with right there. Oh, okay. Let's see what we have in here. I know what we have in here. Let me just make sure my private information is not showing. Oh, did I just do that? I probably did. I'll just black it out again. I'll do a blank. Yes, it does show. This is just showing the quantity. I have to fold it back because this shows the quantity of what's inside. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. I'm not sure whether it's bloomed or not, but or even in spike. But it's a Rinka, can't even get it out. It's a Rinka Stylus Coleustis. And it says it's a selected deep blue lip species and it's big mounted. So let's see. And it said on the box that it was from, that Orchid Classics is from Norfolk, but as you can see, it's Franklin, Virginia. 500 River Road, Franklin, Virginia. Okay, let's see what's in this box. I am excited. It looked beautiful. I fell in love with it looking at it. And inside, right here, this here is just the heat pack. See, that's just the heat pack in there. That's all that is, and it's still warm because it was a 72-hour heat pack. So I'm gonna move this out the way. And you know what I forgot to do? Wipe my box down. I guess because I had my gloves on. That's okay. And usually I wipe it down, but I'm so excited. I forgot to do what I usually do. That's really something I do not do. I really don't. So, let's see. What's in here? They got it nicely wrapped. Oh, I'm excited because they said it's on a mound. It's mounted. So that could be a cork. It could be let's just get right to it. This thing's taking so long. Just trying to unravel it the other way. Oh. Wow. Oh, they got it nicely. It is nicely wrapped. Oh my goodness. Can't believe I'm so excited. Forgot to actually wipe down the box. I'm really freaking out here, you all, because I'm telling you, I always wipe my box down. Uh-oh. Can you take a little peek? Look. 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 I don't think she's in bloom, but that's okay with me. Oh. Oh. Look at here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. Look at her. She's a good size. Can you see it? Rinka Stylus, Coelestis. Oh my goodness, she's pretty. I don't know if you can see what she's gonna look like. Wow. Oh my goodness, look at her. Can't wait for her to bloom. This is my first. Okay, I don't know why some of her leaves looks, maybe it's a little dirt or something. I don't know. Do you all see what I see? But she looks like she's got good roots. Trying to get the wire up, which is great. Look at her. Oh my goodness, she just wanted to fall right down. Wow, look at these roots. Look at the roots. I'm sorry, I'm off camera. Wow. She's a little long. And I don't know whether this leaf right here, see this leaf right here? I don't know whether it kind of like broke during shipment, but the rest of them look fine, except for that one. It really does look like it's broke. I'm gonna leave it alone though, because it's kind of limp right here, right there. The rest of them look nice and firm. But this is the Rinka Stylus Coelestis. You all, she is just wow. This is my first orchid like this. Really, she looks like a Vanda, type of Vanda, but she's because The Vandas, as I was telling you all before, the Vanda it has that same structure the way this one does. And I'm sorry, my apologies for being off camera when I was showing you the leaves. The leaves I was showing you that were a little limp were these two. So, but other than that, she looks healthy. She looks pretty healthy. Look at all those leaves. Look at that. And she keeps going and going. And those leaves, they're not black. They're actually darker green. You got a lighter colors. Look at that. Like these right here, they're green. See? You got a few that I could probably cut back. Wow. Looks like there are a few keikis. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for her to bloom. She's beautiful. I know you can't see, but some of you all probably can't see the beauty. Juanita, what are you talking about? But let's see. Wow, it's a lot. She's got good roots. And I get to hang her. And I shall hang her. Yeah, like I said, I'm just still concerned about these right here. These two leaves. I think, like I said, I think they may have broke in transit. I don't know. See? This is by Orchid Classics out of Franklin, Virginia. And she's gonna bloom like this. She's gonna look like this. So I can't wait for her to bloom. Yes. I'm gonna go hang her up. I'll water her. I gotta check to see when she needs to be watered, because I didn't see anything else in the box that told me when the last time she may have been which. I'll figure it out. We'll do my research. She's pretty. She's a good, about a good 7-8 inches, give or take. And her roots, as you can see, go all the way. And some have even fallen off. Oh, I'm just gonna stick them right in here. Doesn't even matter. I'm gonna stick them in here. Hold it so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to just gonna push it in there. So that way it was bound to come off. I'm telling you, she's long. Wow. My arm is just tired holding her up. All right, I'm gonna lay her back down so you could get a good look at her. And some of her roots broke off, which is fine. Because she has plenty of roots, and like I said, these dead ones here broke off. That's fine. But other than that, she's got quite a bit of keikis. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to say thank you for joining me for my channel's second unboxing of the Rinka Stylist Coleustis. It's an orchid. Oh, I know what I wanted to tell you all. I'm going to provide more information about this because what type of orchid she is. Well, you already know what type of orchid, but I mean as far as like where she comes, what she's native to, and what have you. I'm going to have that somewhere throughout this video, or maybe near the end, so you all can take a look-see and check her out. And oh, just to let you know, this was ordered on a Sunday and they shipped Tuesday. Yes, they shipped it Tuesday. I'm sorry, they shipped it, I believe, Monday. And my apologies, I'm getting mixed up with another order. It was ordered Sunday. It was shipped, not Sunday, Monday. Like I said, I'm getting it mixed up. It was ordered on Monday. It was shipped on Monday, left the facility on Monday, and got here to me, got to my house on Wednesday. So it was pretty fast. It was pretty fast. You hear me? Pretty fast that it got here. And she cost $65 and some change. The shipping was free. And I think that's it. And I paid maybe a few dollars in taxes, which made it go up to maybe almost like $70. So this is not a less expensive the orchid. It is pricey, and like I said, it took a few days for it to get here. So I would like to say thank you for joining me. And I'm sorry I seem like I've dragged this out, but I'm so busy just staring at her. I can't believe she's finally here. And I can't wait for her to look like this. There it is. I can't wait for her to look like this. When she begins to bloom, she's gonna bloom all over the place. Megastylus coleustis. It's like the second time I've done that. Megastylus coleustis. There we go. I wanted you to see the entire name. Except I don't have that particular color. I have the selected deep blue lip species. Thank you once again. Now it's time for me to really sign off. I really appreciate you all joining me. And as you know, I like to leave you with a beautiful thought. Bloom where your feet are planted. Don't take the next step, just bloom. Just begin to grow, blossom, right where you are standing today. Okay, so that is the thought, for the beautiful thought for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and God bless. Bye-bye.